Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Maths Textbook Exercise 5.3 Question number 7. Show that the absolute value of difference of the focal distances of any point P on the hyperbola is the length of its transverse axis. Now, here let this hyperbola is given. Let any point on the hyperbola is P of x comma y. Now perpendicular to P to the x-axis is Pn, and this is the focus S. The point is AE 0 by definition. Here S dash is minus AE 0, and the center origin is, let it be C. This is K dash. This point is K, means directrix through the x-axis is K and K dash. Now this is y-axis, this x-axis as well. Here let P N PM and PM dash is perpendicular to the directrices. Now we'll start by definition. Let P of x comma y be any point on the hyperbola. Now the equation of the hyperbola is x squared over a squared minus y squared over b squared equal to 1. Now by definition of hyperbola, now we can say here the point SP, the distance SP, the distance SP here SP equal E times PM, E times PM, which is a perpendicular here, and SP dash maybe the point P dash is point on the other side of the hyperbola. Therefore, you can say SP dash equal E times PM dash. Now further SP equal E times PM gives SP equal E times NK, because PM and NK is parallel, as well as PN is perpendicular, MK is perpendicular. So E times, we can say NK. Then instead of NK we can write E times Cn minus Ck. Cn minus Ck, Cn minus Ck is Nk. We can write it E times Cn is x quantity, because x coordinate, Cn is x coordinate because C is a center or origin of the coordinate axis. Then we can say that is x, which is x. Here Cn is x minus Ck is A over E by definition, which is equal Ex minus A, because E cut here. And similarly we can write S dash P equal E times PM dash, which gives S dash P equal E times Nk dash. Now we can write E times nk days, we can write Cn minus Cn plus Ck dash, which is further equal E times Cn is x distance and plus A over E by definition, which is equal Ex plus A. Now S dash P minus Sp. S dash P minus Sp here, S dash P minus Sp is equal you can write S dash P minus Sp is equal, we have S dash P is Ex plus A minus Ex minus A, which is equal Ex plus A minus Ex plus A, Ex cut, which is equal 2A. Now which is 2A is equal to length of transverse axis, length of transverse axis. Therefore, hence the difference of the focal distance, hence we can say hence the difference of focal distances, that means S dash P minus Sp, focal distances of a point on the hyperbola, of a point on the hyperbola is constant because it's 2A as well, and is equal to the length of transverse axis, length of transverse axis. Hence we proved. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.